Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're looking at a powerful all-in-one floor cleaning system, the Bissell CrossWave HydroSteam Deluxe 3-in-1 Wet Dry Vacuum Mop. This machine is designed to simplify one of the most time-consuming chores in the home, cleaning hard floors. Instead of vacuuming, then mopping, and then disinfecting separately, this device combines all three steps into a single process. The biggest highlight here is the HydroSteam technology. It uses the power of heated steam combined with suction and mopping action to break down sticky messes, grease, and dried stains much more effectively than traditional mopping. This makes it especially useful in kitchens, dining areas, and high-traffic floors. It works as a 3-in-1 system. It vacuums debris, mops the floor, and applies steam cleaning at the same time. That means you're not just spreading water around, you're actively lifting dirt while sanitizing the surface. Bissell also includes a specialized sanitize formula that works alongside the steam function to help reduce bacteria and leave floors cleaner and fresher. This is especially helpful for homes with kids or pets where floors get dirty quickly. The CrossWave design uses dual tank technology, keeping clean water and dirty water completely separate. This ensures you're always cleaning with fresh solution instead of pushing dirty water back onto the floor. It's built primarily for hard floors like tile, sealed wood, laminate, and vinyl. The brush roll is designed to handle both wet and dry messes, picking up crumbs, dust, spills, and sticky residue in a single pass. Despite being a powerful cleaning machine, it's designed to be easy to maneuver. The handle and rolling system make it smoother to push compared to traditional mops, and the controls are simple enough for everyday use. Maintenance is also fairly straightforward. The brush roll and tanks are removable, making cleanup after cleaning much easier than dealing with traditional mop heads. Overall, the Bissell CrossWave HydroSteam Deluxe is built for people who want faster, deeper, and more hygienic floor cleaning without juggling multiple tools. It's especially useful for busy households where floors constantly need attention. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to GadgetVerse for more home cleaning tech reviews, and check the link below to get the Bissell CrossWave HydroSteam Deluxe on Amazon today.